Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Now look at this question. This is 6 square divided by 36 square divided by 6 square divided by 36 square. 36 is a perfect square of 6. So let's bring all of the numbers in the power of 6. Now this power get multiplied. So you can write it as 6 square divided by 6 to the power 4 divide by 6 square divide by 6 to the power 4. Now this is 6 square. Now division sign is changed to multiplication. So we just reciprocate the next number, and then here again division sign changed to multiplication and just flip the next number. This division sign changes into multiplication and just reciprocate the next number. Now this and this term gets cancelled. So you get 1 upon 6, 4 plus 4, which can be written as 6 to the power 8, or you can write it as 6 to the power minus 8. So the correct option is D. I hope you understand this smart question.